So this is, again, is Miss Duchess. And she's all tail wagging. She was just kind of burrowing her head in my chest for a second, checking me out. And I love her coat, because her coat is just the most gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So right now she's just totally involved in sniffing. But when you touch her, you can get a little tail wag there. What do you hear? Hi. Hi. Hi, Swishy. Oh, you're a heavy breathing. You're such a heavy breather, huh? Oh, yeah. Tail wag. What do you hear? Did you hear that other doggy? Huh? You make funny noises. This Miss Duchess. She sounds like an old lady clearing her throat. Duchess is an old lady clearing your throat, huh? So Miss Duchess, she's in Manhattan, Pearson.